How to fix unresponsive touch screen in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, as this clears up temporary touches glitches without deleting anything. Also check for iOS glitches, so go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. If an update is available, install it. Sometimes Apple quietly fixes touchscreen bugs in patches, and if the issue is still not fixed, reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in general, again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. You can also try to remove screen protector or wipe the screen gently and then try touching the screen barehanded with clean fingers. So this is how you can fix unresponsive touchscreen in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.